Hello everybody, I'm at the Big Box Outlet store and we are going to be reviewing washing machines. Showing them. So, let's start with this Electric Lux. The price is $752. The original price is $135. So, it has a lot of modes. So it has, you can read them, for example, like all of these. You can also change the temperature to add pods. Let's see if this works. If that works. It doesn't work, but let's go on the inside. Okay, so now we're gonna go to this one. Samsung costs $823. Original price $920. So this is the modes they have, normal and all of these other ones. So you can also like turn it around. Let's see if it works. Okay. Now we opened it up. Not bad. Okay, so now we have this Samsung again. I would say it's a little different and this one costs about $1,000, almost $1,000 plus tax. Super speed steam smoke things. Normal heavy duty, the same one as that one. There it is. Try to open. Yeah, we should try do it. But this is the washing machine. Spin it. It's all right. Yeah. Okay, we have the Electric Lux. $680. So it has all these modes. I can't say them all because it's gonna take forever. But here they are. We're gonna open the washing machine. So let's open it. So it doesn't have like those spikes, but this one doesn't move. But this is the same one, but just a little more expensive. Now this is the LG one. $605. Normal heavy duty bending towels. And all those other ones, this is the pad. Okay, so this is inside of the washing machine. Okay, it doesn't spin, so let's go to the other side. Hi. Okay. So here's the Electrolux Black version. It costs $830. Oh, this is a dryer. Yeah, dryer. So this is all the modes. Yeah. Could spin it. Doesn't turn on. But so this is the okay, let's get that open. Yeah. This is the the filter. Okay, we're gonna put it back. Yeah. This is the same one as that one. So, I actually have this one. It's pretty good. Yeah, the same thing. I think this is also. Yeah. No wait. No, this is. Yeah, it's a dryer. This is all the modes. Yeah, no. Inside, pretty much the same thing as this one. So, now we got a dryer. Okay. So it has like this big screen. This spinning thing. It's pretty small. Like, it's a GE dryer, $876. It's 246 kilowatt motor, and you could read all of that if you want. So, it's pretty small, but I would buy it. It's pretty good. Okay, now we got the Electrolux white. It's also a dryer, but we already some of them just keep on repeating. So let's go on this LG one. Pretty big, $840. 1 year warranty included. It has like this is how it looks. It's really big. Oh, this one's convertible. Okay, so fridge diary. Okay, so this is the modes. These are all the modes. Cost $412. 1 year warranty included. Yep. So this one is also pretty big. Let's try to spin it. It's heavy. Okay, we got washing machines over there. So this is the Electrolux one. It's a washer and dryer. So it's pretty big. Okay, now the second. I don't know if I can reach it. Okay, this one. It's a fridge diary, laundry center. So this one is, I'm pretty sure, a washer. Yeah, a washer. And I can't reach that, but these are the modes here. Okay. And then here's the Electrolux. I think that's the same.
Okay, I'm gonna.
You can read it. Pause it if you want, but this is the LG one. It's a really brand new one. You could like put stuff in here. Dryer or washer. You could turn on any of those. It's open. We can't open it, but it does look really nice. It's like a green color. Okay, now we got this LG one for $2,000. Oh yeah, this one is also $2,000 for the washer and dryer. So, LG one for $2,000. It's really small. It's a washer and dryer. It's really small. It's like, and then the second one. I can't open that one for some reason, but it does. It comes with a 1 year warranty, and yeah. So now it's about to be the end of the video. So here we got Electrolux. Wait, let me zoom in. Electrolux. So it's $1,811. This is just a washer and dryer. So these are both. Yeah. So this is how it looks like in here. Oh. Yeah. So top and bottom. Oh yeah. So you actually have to buy them both. So $915, and that one is $896. But if you want the entire setup, it's gonna be $1,800. Let's go check if there's more. Thanks for watching.